In a world of complicated diets and expensive supplements, it's easy to overlook the simple yet powerful solutions nature provides. Our bodies are incredibly resilient, equipped with intricate systems to cleanse and rejuvenate. This documentary explores the concept of food as medicine, showcasing how incorporating specific foods into your diet can support your body's natural detoxification processes. We'll delve into the science behind detoxification, debunk common myths, and provide practical tips for incorporating these foods into your daily routine. Get ready to discover the power of simple, common foods and embark on a journey toward a cleaner, healthier you. Our bodies are constantly working to eliminate toxins and harmful substances. This natural detoxification process is primarily carried out by the liver, kidneys, and digestive system. The liver acts as a filter, neutralizing toxins and converting them into waste products. The kidneys then filter these waste products from the bloodstream, eliminating them through urine. When we consume processed foods, excess sugar, or environmental toxins, our detoxification organs can become overburdened. By nourishing our bodies with the right foods, we can support these vital organs and enhance their ability to function optimally. This documentary isn't about promoting a quick-fix detox. Instead, it's about embracing a holistic approach to health and well-being. Throughout this journey, we'll explore practical tips for incorporating detoxifying foods into your daily routine. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. By gradually incorporating these foods into your lifestyle, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes and enhance your overall health. Imagine your body as a complex, interconnected system, constantly working to maintain balance and eliminate harmful substances. This natural cleansing process, known as detoxification, is primarily orchestrated by three key organs: the liver, kidneys, and digestive tract. The liver, often referred to as the body's primary filtration system, works tirelessly to neutralize toxins. Meanwhile, the kidneys act as meticulous filtration units, continuously filtering waste products from the bloodstream. The digestive system plays a crucial role in this intricate process as well. It's responsible for breaking down food, absorbing essential nutrients, and efficiently eliminating waste products. In an ideal world, our bodies would effortlessly detoxify all harmful substances we encounter. However, the reality is that our modern lifestyles often overload this intricate system. Processed foods laden with artificial additives and preservatives place a significant burden on the liver. Environmental toxins, such as air pollution and pesticides, can also overwhelm our detoxification pathways. These toxins can accumulate in our bodies, interfering with normal cellular function and potentially contributing to chronic health issues. It's a clear signal from our bodies that we need to support these vital organs and reduce the toxic load. Fortunately, there are simple yet powerful ways to enhance our body's natural detoxification processes. One of the most effective strategies is to incorporate specific foods into our diet that support liver, kidney, and digestive health. By making conscious food choices, we can lighten the load on our detoxification organs and promote a greater sense of well-being. The following sections of this documentary will delve into 5 key detoxifying foods: leafy greens, citrus fruits, garlic, ginger, and turmeric. Remember, detoxification is not about deprivation or extreme measures. It's about nourishing your body with the tools it needs to thrive. Leafy greens, with their deep green hues, are nature's powerhouse of detoxification, packed with chlorophyll, vitamins, and minerals. Among these nutritional stars, spinach and kale stand out as champions of detoxification. Chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for the vibrant green color of these vegetables, acts like a magnet for toxins, aiding their removal from the body. Spinach, rich in antioxidants and fiber, provides a gentle yet effective boost to digestion, promoting regularity and the elimination of waste products. Kale is renowned for its ability to support liver function, a crucial organ in the detoxification process. Incorporating leafy greens into your daily diet is as simple as adding a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie or enjoying a kale salad for lunch. Their versatility allows for endless culinary creations, ensuring you can enjoy their detoxifying benefits in a way that suits your taste and lifestyle. Whether you prefer them raw, sautéed, or blended into a green juice, leafy greens are a delicious and accessible way to support your body's natural detoxification processes. Citrus fruits bursting with tangy flavor and vibrant colors are powerful allies in detoxification. Lemons, oranges, grapefruits, and limes are all excellent sources of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports the body's natural cleansing processes. Imagine vitamin C as a team of skilled mechanics repairing and protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Lemons in particular are renowned for their detoxifying properties, stimulating the production of bile, a digestive fluid produced by the liver. Oranges are packed with fiber, which acts like a broom, sweeping through the digestive tract and promoting regularity. Incorporating citrus fruits into your diet is as simple as starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water or enjoying a juicy orange as a snack. Whether you prefer them whole, juiced, or zested into your favorite dishes, citrus fruits offer a delicious and convenient way to support your body's natural detoxification processes. Their bright colors and tangy flavors are a delightful reminder that healthy choices can be both delicious and beneficial. Garlic, with its pungent aroma and distinctive flavor, has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries. This culinary staple is not only a flavor enhancer, but also a powerful detoxifier thanks to its rich content of sulfur compounds, particularly allicin. Allicin, released when garlic is crushed or chopped, acts like a potent antioxidant, protecting the body from damage caused by free radicals and supporting liver function. Garlic's sulfur compounds also stimulate the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant produced by the liver that plays a crucial role in detoxification. Beyond its antioxidant and liver-supporting properties, garlic also boasts antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a valuable ally in boosting the immune system. Incorporating garlic into your diet is as easy as adding a clove or two to your favorite savory dishes. Its pungent flavor adds depth and complexity to soups, stews, sauces, and marinades. Embrace its pungent aroma and enjoy its potent detoxifying benefits, a true testament to the power of food as medicine. Ginger and turmeric, with their warm, earthy flavors, have long been celebrated for their potent healing properties. These culinary superstars are powerful detoxifiers, supporting the body's natural cleansing processes. Ginger aids in digestion and reduces inflammation. Turmeric's curcumin supports liver function and protects against cellular damage. Together, they form a dynamic duo for detoxification and overall well-being. And a day of detox delight, from sunrise to sunset. Imagine waking up each morning with a sense of renewed energy, knowing that you're nourishing your body with foods that promote natural detoxification. This section will guide you through a typical day, highlighting practical ways to incorporate the detoxifying power of leafy greens, citrus fruits, garlic, ginger, and turmeric into your meals and snacks. These aren't rigid rules, but rather inspiring suggestions to ignite your culinary creativity and personalize your detox journey. By gradually integrating these foods into your daily routine, you'll create sustainable habits that support long-term health and vitality. It's about making small changes that, over time, transform your relationship with food and nourish your body from the inside out. Embrace the morning ritual, hydration and nutrient infusion. Start your day by rehydrating and kickstarting your metabolism with a glass of warm lemon water. Simply squeeze half a lemon into a cup of warm water and enjoy its subtly tangy flavor. Lemon water stimulates digestion, aids in hydration, and provides a gentle boost of vitamin C. For a more substantial breakfast that incorporates leafy greens, consider a vibrant green smoothie. Blend a handful of spinach or kale with a banana, some berries, a spoonful of almond butter, and your choice of milk or yogurt. This nutrient-packed breakfast provides fiber, antioxidants, and a burst of energy to fuel your morning. Lunchtime detox. Salads and beyond. Lunchtime presents a perfect opportunity to incorporate a variety of detoxifying foods into your meal. A colorful salad is a refreshing and customizable option. Combine a base of leafy greens like spinach, kale, or romaine lettuce with a variety of chopped vegetables such as bell peppers, cucumbers, carrots, and tomatoes. For protein, add grilled chicken or fish, chickpeas, lentils, or a sprinkle of nuts and seeds. Enhance the flavor and detoxifying power of your salad with a simple dressing made with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Dinner is a time to unwind, enjoy a nourishing meal, and continue supporting your body's detoxification processes. A vegetable stir-fry is a quick and flavorful option, packed with nutrients and flavor. Sauté a variety of your favorite vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, snap peas, and mushrooms in a bit of olive oil with minced garlic and ginger. Add a splash of soy sauce or tamari for flavor and serve over brown rice or quinoa. Another delicious and detoxifying dinner option is baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and reduce inflammation. The world of health and wellness is often shrouded in myths and misconceptions, and detoxification is no exception. It's essential to approach these claims with a discerning eye and rely on evidence-based information. One common myth is that detoxification requires extreme measures, such as juice cleanses or fasting. These practices may have their place under professional guidance, but are not necessary for everyone. Detoxification is a continuous process that our bodies perform naturally every day. In today's fast-paced world, it's tempting to seek quick fixes and instant gratification. The allure of dropping pounds or detoxifying our bodies in days is enticing. However, our bodies thrive on balance and consistency. Extreme measures can disrupt this balance and lead to harm. Juice cleanses lack essential nutrients like protein and fiber. Rapid weight loss is often water loss, easily regained. Excessive detox supplements can stress the liver and kidneys. Section 3. Sustainable detoxification, a holistic approach. True detoxification goes beyond eliminating toxins. It addresses physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Create a lifestyle that supports natural detoxification while nourishing mind and spirit. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Drink plenty of water to flush out toxins and stay hydrated. Engage in regular physical activity to boost circulation and support detoxification. Aim for quality sleep to allow your body to repair and regenerate. Section 4. Empowering yourself through knowledge and action. The journey to a cleaner, healthier body is an ongoing process of self-discovery, education, and empowered choices. By separating fact from fiction and embracing a holistic approach to detoxification, you can support your body's natural cleansing abilities and cultivate a greater sense of well-being. Remember, you are your own best advocate. Arm yourself with knowledge, seek guidance from qualified healthcare professionals, and listen to your body's innate wisdom. By making mindful choices that align with your individual needs and goals, you can embark on a sustainable path toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Section 1. The power of simple choices. Throughout this journey, we've explored the remarkable ability of simple, common foods to support our body's natural detoxification processes. We've delved into the science behind detoxification, understanding how our liver, kidneys, and digestive system work tirelessly to eliminate toxins and maintain balance. We've discovered the potent properties of leafy greens, citrus fruits, garlic, ginger, and turmeric, culinary superstars that not only tantalize our taste buds, but also provide a wealth of nutrients and antioxidants to enhance our well-being. We've learned that detoxification is not about deprivation or extreme measures, but rather about making mindful choices that nourish our bodies from the inside out. By incorporating these foods into our daily routines, we're not just cleansing our bodies, we're embracing a holistic approach to health and vitality. It's about recognizing the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, and emotional well-being, and making choices that support every aspect of ourselves. Section 2. A lifetime of well-being. The journey to a cleaner, healthier body is a lifelong commitment to nourishing ourselves with wholesome foods and mindful practices. Embrace these principles. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you're feeling sluggish or experiencing discomfort, incorporate more detoxifying foods. Start small and gradually increase your intake. Experiment with different recipes and flavors. Detoxification can be a delicious adventure. Change takes time. Setbacks are natural. Acknowledge slip-ups, learn, and get back on track. Every small step toward a healthier lifestyle is a victory worth celebrating. Embrace simple choices and nourish your body for a lifetime of well-being.